excited today because I am finally going to be doing my first ever giveaway. So as some of you may have noticed, I have actually hit 1,000 subscribers. And because I wanted to honor that and celebrate and thank you guys so much for actually sticking around and watching my videos, I wanted to do a little bit of a giveaway. And what will you be winning, you might ask? Well, I am going to tell you. So the first thing that I'm putting into the giveaway is this set of acrylic paints. They are tube paints and there are 6 of them. They come in black, brown, blue, red, yellow, and white. So you should be able to mix these up to make just about any color. But obviously I couldn't possibly just give you these. I also had to give you a set of brushes. So these brushes actually come in a little case. I can't unzip it because it's got this like safety seal here. But it has a wide range of sizes and shapes for you to do all of your painting needs. It actually even has a little chart on the back to show you what kinds of strokes and effects you can get with each of the different kinds of brushes. I'm really fascinated by my little reflection here from my phone. So I believe there are 7 in here, and this is an all media set, so it's meant to work with just about any paint for decorative strokes, medium lines, washes, and blending. Now we have the brushes and we have the paint, but what are you going to paint on? Well, I also have that covered. I got 3 flat stretched canvases. These are 4x6, and I also have a thick 4x6 as well. So next I'm going to be moving away from the painting category and moving into the organization and planning category. And in order to properly give someone something for that, I've got just a mini planner. I know a lot of people are really picky about their planners, so I didn't want to go all out on this one, but this is really cute. It starts in December of this year and goes through all of 2019, and it's a big large calendar view. It does have this black and white stripe pattern on the front and the metallic gold writing for 2018-2019. Something else that's really nice about it is it gives you the yearly views at the beginning, places for you to put your personal information and contacts, as well as birthdays, just a little kind of organizer thing, some note sections in the back. So hopefully something that you guys can get use out of and keep on hand if you ever need some organization. But of course I wouldn't give you guys something to write in but nothing to write with, so I also tossed in just a set of colorful pens so that you can color code whatever you put in your planner. And they come in, it looks like black, a dark green, light green, blue, pink, purple, and orange. And the final thing that I got is a craft kit. This is a cross stitch kit. My embroidery video, when I was just kind of talking through how I was starting embroidery and getting into it from I think, gosh, a year and a half ago maybe. That is my most popular video on YouTube, so I thought if there was one thing that anybody here wanted, it would be needle pointing. So this is a little needlepoint kit that comes with the hoop, the fabric, the needle, and all of the threads that you could possibly need, as well as a solid set of instructions and the pattern. And here's a bit of a closer look at exactly what the pattern looks like. Nice rose patterns all around it, with some leaves, got multiple greens, and this fun blue comment in the middle, as well as telling you exactly what is going to come with it. This is a 6-inch hoop, so hopefully this is something that can keep you occupied and help you learn a little bit more about embroidery or cross stitching if that's something you're still trying to get into. So I know this isn't like a crazy big bunch of stuff that you might see in some other YouTubers giveaways, but I did want to celebrate and I did want to thank you guys so much for all of your support. Unfortunately, obviously, as my channel description would imply, this is crafting on a budget, so unfortunately I don't have a whole lot of money to be hashing out a bunch of gifts to a bunch of people, but hopefully sometime in the future when I'm making a little bit more money and maybe when I have a job, I can have a bigger sort of giveaway, or a giveaway where I can give away to multiple people. So your continued support is obviously very much appreciated so that I can keep giving back to you guys as much as possible. Almost forgot about the rules. So the only things that you have to do to be entered into this giveaway are to obviously be subscribed to me on the YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down below which of these things you think you would get the most use out of. So I'm going to be keeping this giveaway entry date open until January 1st, so you have 2 weeks to get your comments down below, like and subscribe before I select the winner. I will be doing so randomly just by going through the comments and putting all the usernames into a random generator and just hitting generate, and whoever wins will win. I will request that if you want to enter that you do be a US resident. Again, I don't have a whole bunch of money and I really don't think I can be affording to send something out of the country right now, so US subscribers only, unfortunately. But with that said, hopefully again in the future when I have a little bit more money I can offer an international giveaway. Also, please make sure if you're under 18 that you do have parent permission to enter this giveaway, because I will have to be asking for your address or somewhere that I can be sending this. With that said, you have until January 1st. I will find some way to contact you, so hopefully if you have your email in your YouTube channel, then I can reach out to you that way and let you know that you've won. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting, and hopefully I will be seeing you this weekend and a little through the week for some Vlogmas updates and my craft video for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I love buying gifts for people.